Hi, welcome to Realz Product Reviews. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I review products to hopefully help my community discover new things, learn what works, learn what kind of sucks, so you don't have to spend your money on it. And so I look at different things from, food to beauty to electronics and just a whole range of gamut of items. And so today I'm trying a brand new product to me, and it is a delicious chocolate brownie coconut spread, and it's by Kokada. And so let me bring it a little closer so you can see what it looks like. And I got this at Sprouts, and so it is, let's read the back for it. So, organic and natural ingredients. It is refined sugar free. It is gluten free, and it is also vegan. And so what inside is coconut treacle, coconut unsweetened cacao, vanilla extract, sea salt, and carrageen, which is derived from a red seaweed. So everything in here is vegan and natural. This was made in Sri Lanka, but it was made in a facility with peanuts, so if you do have a peanut allergy, you might want to be a little careful. And so they do have different flavors of spreads. I love chocolate. I am a chocolate addict. Chocolate is my go-to, so that is why I picked up the brownie flavor. And so on the side it says, go ahead, lick the spoon. It's like brownie batter with a healthy twist, satisfying your sweet tooth anytime. Many ways to enjoy. Kokada is made with organic ingredients sourced directly from the farmer and is refined sugar-free. And so 2 tablespoons is 130 calories, so that's 30 grams of this spread. There's 10 servings in a container. It does have 7 grams of saturated fat, so obviously coconut, it's gonna have some oil in it. There is no trans fat. There is no cholesterol. There's 20 milligrams of sodium. There are 16 carbohydrates, and 13 of those are from natural sugars, and 2 of those are from dietary fiber. It does have 10% of your daily requirements of iron, so 2 milligrams, and it also has 88 milligrams of potassium, which is about 2% of your required. So no refrigerator is needed, but once you open this container, it says to enjoy within 2 months. So I'm excited. Let's give this a swirl. I did heat up some toast, so I figured I'd try a little bit on a spoon. I'm going to try a little bit on toast, and then I'm going to try some with peanut butter. I think that might be kind of good too. So we'll see. We'll see what it tastes like in multiple ways. So let's open up the safety seal. And so just let me show you what it looks like. So it is a pretty hard product, so it's not like dripping everywhere. I do see a little bit of the oil on top, so that must be from the coconut oil. So I'm gonna mix it just a little bit, just to get that oil kind of in there. And I know coconut separates, even when I just get regular coconut oil in the container, I do notice that it separates a little. Okay, so it is kind of thick. Kind of looks like a brownie batter before you've cooked it, so when you've mixed it up in a pan. I definitely taste the coconut, so if you don't like coconut, you won't like it. But it reminds me of like an almond joy with the chocolate and the coconut. That's very delicious, actually. Okay, so let's try a little bit on some toast. And so I just made up myself some toast. Then I'm going to throw some peanut butter on there, and let's see how it tastes with that. So I'm curious to see. Chocolate and peanut butter to me sounds delicious, and if I'm getting a healthy treat versus just eating an entire candy bar without all that extra refined sugar, that might be a good thing. So let's throw some on there. Spread us some of this spread on there. I'm going to put on half of it just in case I don't like it. It sounds delicious, right? Chocolate, coconut, peanut butter, toast. So this is my chocolate toast. That is amazing. And I just dropped it. Messy, messy, messy. Good thing I clean up after myself. Mmm. Mmm. Yum. Okay, so my honest opinion, I prefer this on the toast. And so I think it's really delicious with the peanut butter. I can see this being really good if you mix it on a cracker. Maybe like a graham cracker, but then I guess it's not quite as healthy. But definitely on the toast with the peanut butter is like to die for. So that's a really good, decadent, indulgent treat without all those extra added sugars. So we are getting the sugars, obviously, from the coconut, but those are the natural sugars from the coconut. But that is just amazing. That is delicious. I could see myself really purchasing this all the time, just trying to give myself that chocolate kick that I sometimes crave without eating an entire candy bar. So I think this is a good alternative solution, and especially if you're vegan and you're looking for a vegan option, this is a great vegan option. You can get your chocolate kick that way. You don't have to have a chocolate candy bar with all of the, you know, everything they put in there, the milk and everything else. So it's delicious. I love it. I would be definitely purchasing this again. If you've tried one of the other flavors that they have, let me know what you think. And if you've made this with something else, some recipe ideas, I'm sure everybody would love to see that or hear about that. So leave those in the comments below. Thanks so much for being part of our community. And if you haven't subscribed, we'd love to have you. Have a wonderful, happy, blessed day.